Hello SDI students, my name is Martin and in this video we will be covering firing pin protrusion. To prepare the weapon for the test, the upper and lower receivers are separated, the bolt carrier is removed from the upper receiver and the bolt is removed from the bolt carrier by removing the split pin, firing pin and cam stud. The firing pin is inserted into the bolt and placed on a firm surface so there is clear firing pin protrusion on the bolt face. In the first method, the firing pin gauge lock nut is loosened and the gauge is lowered onto the bolt face so the firing pin can push the gauge rod up. The gauge lock nut is tightened and the protrusion at the top of the gauge is measured. Firing pin protrusion should be between 28 and 36 thousandths of an inch. In the second method, the max side of the gauge is lowered onto the bolt face and slid over the firing pin. The gauge should not contact the firing pin. The gauge is flipped over to the min side and again lowered onto the bolt face. This time the gauge should make contact with the firing pin, indicating it meets minimum length. This completes the firing pin protrusion test. The firing pin is removed from the bolt is then installed back into the bolt carrier, the cam stud, firing pin and split pin are reinstalled, the bolt carrier is reinstalled into the upper receiver, and the upper and lower receivers are reattached.